Good morning, student. Today we will do the revision of our fourth unit, physical education and sports for children with special needs, that is for Divyang people. Today, physical education is not only for normal persons, it is also for disabled person. Disabled person also participate in game and sports. The physical educations for disabled person is known as adaptive physical education. Physical education means education through physical activity. Education means learning or gaining knowledge, and physical means any body movement. So physical education means education through body movement, and adaptive adaptive means to adjust or to fit. So adaptive physical educations mean adjusting the physical education so that it meets the needs of the disabled person. Okay, adaptive means adjusting or modifying. So adaptive physical education means adjusting or modifying the physical educations so that it meets the needs of the Divyang person, meets the needs of the disabled children, disabled person. Adaptive physical educations is both art and science of developing, implementing and monitoring a carefully designed physical educational program to improve to meet their needs. Physical education, adaptive physical education, it is a sub-discipline of physical education. Therefore it contains all the objective as physical education contains. The objective of physical education is psychological development, social development, physical development, emotional development, etc. This adaptive physical educations also contain same objective. Aim of adaptive physical educations. Aim of adaptive physical educations is to ensure that each and every child is provided with physical education service to meet his or her unique needs. This is the aim, goal of adaptive physical education, to see that each and every child with physical each and every child is provided with physical education service to meet his or her unique needs. Next is objective. What are the objectives of adaptive physical education? The first objectives is individualized education program. Individualizing the educational program for the disabled persons so that it meets their unique needs. Development of motor skill. Adaptive physical education also helps to develop the motor skill of the student. Active participation. Adaptive physical education strive to ensure that each and every student must participate in physical education program whenever possible. Self-esteem. Adaptive physical education also help to self-esteem, means help to develop confidence in him and also help to develop sportsmanship spirit. Socializations ability. Adaptive physical education also help to develop social quality like discipline, adjustment, friendship, togetherness, etc. This type of social quality develop in disabled person through adaptive physical education, and by developing social quality they can easily adjust in the society. These are the some objective of adaptive physical educations. So adaptive physical educations, adapt means adjust. Adjusting the adaptive physical educations means adjusting the physical educations to meet the needs of the disabled person. Aim of adaptive physical education is to ensure that each and every child is provided with physical education service so that it meets his or her unique needs. Objective is first is to individualize educational program to develop their motor skill, active participation, develop confidence in them, develop social quality, etc. Next topic is organization promoting adaptive physical education. What are the organizations that promote adaptive physical education? There are various and numerous organizations which promote adaptive physical education program like International Federation of Adaptive Physical Activity. Okay, this International Federation of Adaptive Physical Activity is a cross-discipline professionals organized of individual. This main International Federation of Adaptive Physical Education, Adaptive Physical Activity helps promote. Okay, it's a organizations which promote adaptive physical educations. It make all the rules and regulations for the adaptive physical educations program and implement it, just like in IOC, International Olympic Committee, make all the rules and regulations which are to be implemented in Olympic game. In the same manners, IFAPA, International Federation of Adaptive Physical Activity, it is the governing body which make all the rules and regulations for the adaptive physical educations program. And other organizations and agencies which work under it are Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympic, Deaf Olympic, etc. Special Olympic Bharat. The Special Olympic Bharat, it came to India in 1988 with the formation of Special Olympic India in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The movement had approached 10,000 athletes enrolled with it at that time. Special Olympic Bharat, it is an organization approved by National Sports Federations and Special Olympic International for the development of a person with intellectual disability in India, and for internationals, this Special Olympic Internationals, it was started by Eunice Kennedy Seward. She is the sister of former President of United States of America, John F. Kennedy. The idea of organizing the Special Olympic International came to her mind when she witnessed the social exclusion of the people with intellectual disability who were kept in a custodies. She believed that if equal chance were given to them, they can also be an exceptional athletes. And through this and through game and sports, they can show their potentials if we give them equal opportunity. And these people intellectual disabled could be accomplished far more than experience as everyone else. Therefore, she organized the Special Olympic for people with intellectual disability. She gave training, etc. Special Olympic Bharat, it is the organizations approved by National Sports Federations and Special Olympic International for the development of a persons with intellectual disability in our country. This is for our country. And this Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports assumed responsibility of giving training of the special training and participation of the Sports Olympic Bharat national team at the international level. It give all the training, coaching, etc. and build interest in sports, skill perfections, social interactions, communications, talent, leadership quality develop, etc. of the intellectual disabled person. This is about the Special Olympic Bharat. What are the Special Olympic Bharat strive to? The first is it focus on holistic, that is complete development and training of a disabled person that goes beyond the classroom into a plane, that is complete development and training of the disabled persons, creating a role models who inspire the children with disabled, and also it motivate their parents so that they can send their children to school and allow them to participate in game and sports and other extracurricular activity. It also helps to train the teachers so that they can understand the needs of the disabled person and ensure Special Olympic Bharat also activate local, state, national and international levels Olympic movement, value, standards and ceremonies and event, etc. Special Olympic Bharat also gave training and coaching to the teachers so that they deal with the intellectual disabled person. It also helps in overall development of the player, of the athletes, that is proper medical checkup of the athletes, proper treatment, educational, etc. This is about the Special Olympic Bharat. This Special Olympic Bharat came to India in 1988, and in the first it enrolled 10,000 athletes with that time. Next is Paralympic. Paralympic, it is a major international multi-sports event involving athletes with a range of disability. Disability means impairment, that may be physical, mental, social, cognitive, intellectual, etc. And disability, it can't be cured. So in Paralympic, this Paralympic is for disabled person. It is a international multi-sports event for the disabled persons like impaired muscle powers, polio, impaired passive range of movement, limb deficiency, leg length different, short height, hypertonia, vision impairment, intellectual impairment, etc. This type of disabled person participate in the Paralympic game, and the first Paralympic game was organized in Rome in 1960. The headquarters of Paralympic is at Bonn, Germany, and International Paralympic Committee is the governing body of the Paralympic Games. International Paralympic. This International Paralympic Committee make all the rules and regulations which are to be followed in the Paralympic game. In Paralympic, there are different types of disability. So, disability are divided into 10 categories, and athletes have to given a wide variety. There are various type of disability. There are 10 categories in which the athletes compete according to their disability. Next is Deaf Olympic. Deaf Olympic is for the deaf persons. Previously, it is known as World Game for the Deaf and International Game for the Deaf. It is under an International Olympic Committee sanctioned event at which the deaf athletes in Deaf Olympic deaf athlete participate, compete with each others. Unlike in Paralympic, disabled person participate in Special Olympic, intellectual disabled person participate, etc. But in Deaf Olympic, deaf persons they cannot hear the starting. They cannot hear the status of the gun baton. Therefore, this Deaf Olympic is for deaf persons, and and committee internationals these sports the SOD International Committee of Sports for the Deaf is the next is inclusion. Concept of inclusion. Inclusions means including. Inclusions can be defined as the act or the states of being part of something large, including something into a large group, being a part of something larger. In social context, inclusions means every person has the possibility to participate fully and equally in all social process right from the beginning, regardless of their skill, race, sex, organs, age, etc. They all they should participate means including some things into a large group. Inclusion in inclusion of inclusion. Inclusions can be defined as the state of being part of something larger, and inclusions in social contents means every person has a right to participate fully and equally in all social process right from the beginnings and regardless of his race, color, sex, origin, etc. They has the right to participate. And inclusion in education means educating the disabled person with a normal persons, educating the student, educating the both disabled and non-disabled persons in a same classroom. Inclusion in education is an approach to educating students with special educational needs, normal person with disabled persons, educating both the disabled and non-disabled student together under the same roof is known as inclusions in education. Under the inclusions, special needs spend most or all of their time with non-special needs. Inclusion reject the use of school or classroom to separate the student with disability from the student without disability. We have to teach them in a same group, disabled person also with the non-disabled person. We should not separate them. What are the needs of inclusion in education? The first needs of inclusion is education is mold the value of next generation. Student, if we give them educations together, then they will see the person first and their disability second. They will understand and they will learn empathy and to value diversity. Okay, if we give education together, they will see the person first, not their disability. Provide opportunity for friendship. If we give education Then it's have to develop friendship between them. There will be the close relationship between disabled and non-disabled student. Student interact with each others. Disabled, non-disabled persons will also feel comfortable with the disabled persons. Prepare individual for adulthood life. Today classmates are the tomorrow employed. Therefore, the community life is not divided into typical community and special community. Therefore, prepare the individual for adult life by teaching them together. Cultivate and enrich learning environment. Cultivate and enrich learning environment. For teaching the disabled persons, we use new technique. We use additional resource like special educators, therapists, etc. This additional resource is also useful for the non-disabled person. These are the some needs of inclusions. Okay, inclusions means including something into a large group. Inclusion in education means educating both disabled and non-disabled person, both disabled and non-disabled student under a same classroom. The needs of inclusions is to mold the value of next generations, to teach them, to provide opportunity for friendship. It also helps to learn their strength and weakness, and they enjoy feeling of belongingness, friendship. It provides perfect training of real life learn. Inclusions also helps to interact with the others. It helps to develop confidence, develop communication skill, etc. So we have discussed about inclusions. Our next topic is role of various professionals like role of counselors, special educators, occupational therapists, etc. What are their roles for children with disabled? This topic we will study in our next video. That once again we do revision what we have studied today. We have studied about the adaptive physical educations. Adapt means adjust. Adapt means to adjust, to modify or to fit. So adaptive means adjusting the physical education to meet the needs of the disabled persons. Modifying, adapt means adjusting or modifying the physical education so that it meets the needs of the disabled person. Adaptive physical education is both science as well as art. It's helping implementing, developing, implementing and monitoring a carefully designed program, educational program to meet the requirement, to meet the basic needs of the disabled person. The aim of adaptive physical education is to see that each and every child is provided with educational service, physical educational service, so that it meets his or her unique needs. Objectives is to develop confidence in them, active participant, individualized educational program to develop motor skill, develop social quality, etc. Organizations promoting adaptive physical education is International Federation of Adaptive Physical Education. This International Federation of Adaptive Physical Education, it is the organizations which promote adaptive physical education. It make all the rules and regulations which should be followed in the physical educational program for disabled person. Special Olympic Bharat Special Olympic Bharat is for disabled person. This Special Olympic Bharat, the Special Olympic program which came to India in 1988 with the formation of Special Olympic India in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Special Olympic Bharat, it is an organization which is approved by National Sports Federations and Ministry of Youth Affairs. Approved by National Sports Federation and Special Olympic International for the development of person with intellectual disability. Ministry of Youth Affairs take all the responsibility for training the disabled persons and participation of the Special Olympic Bharat national team in the international level. It gives all the training, coaching, look after their fitness, health checkup, educations, etc. It also gives training and coaching to the teacher so that they understand the needs of the disabled person. It also motivates the child to participate in physical activity, motivate their parents so that they send their children to participate in game and sports and different curriculum activity. They prepare a role model, create a role model who inspire them, who motivate them, and ensure maximum involvement of the community. It helps in maximum involvement of the community so that they understand and accept the disabled person, accept the people with intellectual disability, and also organize activity at local, state, national, international level. Next is Paralympic. Paralympic, it is for the Olympic game, it is for the normal person. Paralympic, it is for disabled person. Paralympic, it is a multinational. It is a international multi-sports event in which disabled person participate like impaired muscle powers, short height, impassive range of motion, vision impairment, leg length different, limb deficiency, anthosis, intellectual impairment, etc. This type of disabled person participate in the Paralympic. And first Paralympic Games was held in 1960 at Rome. Headquarters of Paralympic is Bonn, Germany. And in Paralympic, it is held in parallel with the Olympic game. International Olympic Committee, it is the governing body of Olympic game, and International Paralympic Committee, it is the governing body of the Paralympic game. In Paralympic game, there are various type of disability. Therefore, disability are divided into 10 categories in which the athletes compete with each others. Next is Deaf Olympic. Deaf Olympic is for deaf persons who cannot hear. Earliest Deaf Olympic is known as World Game or International Game for the deaf person. Inclusions means including something into a large group, like in society, including in society. For example, in society, every individual has a right to participate regardless of their individual difference, social customs, race, social origin, color, etc. They have the right to participate from the beginning, etc. And inclusion in education means educating both disabled and non-disabled students under a same roof. This inclusions mold the value of next generations. They understand each other's, is develop friendship, togetherness. It's also have to develop communication, develop confidence in the disabled person, They know their weakness and strong point. If we give them educations, this education in same group, the special technique which we use for teaching the disabled person, it is also beneficial for the non-disabled student, etc. These are the some needs of the inclusion.